Hello, my name is Paul Mahoney. I'm from MarineMax in Huntington, New York, and today we're going through the 2023 Sea Ray 25 Sun Deck. This boat has the sea decking throughout, swim platform, right through the entire cockpit into the bow. It also has a submersible swim platform on the back here. We've got the sunbed with aft-facing lounger coming through the boat, into the boat. We have a seating all around the cockpit, both sides. There's a cockpit table that goes here that's stored inside. We have the bimini top with the sports tower, the black sports tower. We have the seating, helm seating, goes both ways. Seating on the driver's side and passenger side. Storage under the seat. Seat comes up with some storage, and there's also the post for both tables on the boat. Over here we have the helm. And we have a 9-inch Simrad GPS and shot plotter. The head, the pump out head in here. And this boat also has the bunk option that goes with this. Going forward, we have opposing seating in the bow. Underneath here we have the igloo cooler. And there's a stanchion here for the other table in the front of the boat. And here we have the bow ladder and the anchor storage. If you have interest in this boat, you can get a hold of us through MarineMax in Huntington, Long Island, or the phone number is 631-424-2710. Thank you.